Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove tools from Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove tools from Google Maps, first open up the Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when this interface appears, guys, you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the list. Tap on settings, and over here scroll down to the bottom of the list where you'll be able to find the navigation settings. Tap on navigation settings and scroll down a little bit from over here, and you can see the avoid tools option available for us. Now, in order to remove tools from Google Maps, anytime we search for a destination, make sure the avoid tools button is enabled by tapping on the toggle at the right side of that option. The toggle icon will be turned blue. By that way, guys, anytime you search for a destination on Google Maps, your tools will be removed from the Google Maps. And that being said, guys, this is how to remove tools from Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.